Peacock means more. Parrot means tota. Owl means ullu. Cock means murga. Pigeon means kabutar. Sparrow means goria. Bat means chamgadar. Kite means cheel. Swan means hans. Hen means murgi. Peahen means morni. Ostrich means suturamur. Duck means batak. Crow means caw. Cuckoo means quail. Great egret means bagula. Blue jay means neelkant. Falcon means barge. Partridge means teeter. Nightingale means bulbul. Please like, subscribe, share.